This video is how to install a bridge button onto your hammock to protect your tarp from the tip of the spreader poles. This will work for any bridge hammock that has a soft connection between the suspension and the hammock body. I've removed the spreader pole so that I'm working with just the hammock body here. To install, take your bridge button. You want to identify which side of your hammock faces out and install your bridge button in that direction. If your bridge button is installed the wrong direction, anytime you go to use it, you're going to have to twist the body of the hammock, which isn't good. So open up the eye, line up your groove, and insert just one side into the bridge button. You're going to have to force it in place, maybe do a little sawing back and forth motion, and there, that is installed there. Turn it over and then work this suspension around the other side of the bridge button. And this is a tight fit because we don't want this falling off the hammock. You may have to use a tool here, maybe your teeth, depending on the exact size of this eye as it was manufactured. Now that I've got it over that corner there, I just need to twist and turn until the am steel falls into the groove. There we go. So that's one side done, the outside of the hammock and the outside of the button. We'll do the same thing on the other side. Outside of the hammock, outside of the button. Open the eye, get one side in position, and then open it up, go over the other side. Up and over, and if I wasn't reaching around the camera here, I could use a little tool to help push that down in. And actually, if you just load the hammock right now, the tension will probably set it in place. Just make sure that you're not sitting on the outside here, so that when you put load in it, it crushes that leg. This is, as you can see, a bit of a difficult process, but it is a one-time process. You'll never have to do that again. And now that the bridge buttons are installed, take our spreader pole, and very easily we can find the opening in the bridge button and put the pole in position. And there you go. You have a nice domed surface to contact your tarp. No worries about punctures, and you are good to go. Now, it is possible to remove these if you want to, if you use some kind of tool, and just be patient with yourself as you do it. So there, I've got it out of the groove, and I just need to get it over the leg of the button. And there we go. It is removable, but there is no chance that that is going to accidentally fall off in the field.